In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to use the group tax features um, in Vend to set up your taxes. Now, this feature is best for retail businesses that have outlets in a state where they need to charge other taxes other than um, VAT. For example, if you have outlets in Lagos State, you will need to charge VAT and say consumption tax of 5%. And so in this video, I'll show you how to set up the tax rate, how to combine the tax rate, and how to set your outlet to show the default tax rate that you have set. So in your Vend register on the sales screen, go to your dash. Now in your dashboard, go to setup. Under the setup, go to sales taxes. Now click on add sales tax. Now so that you know your customers know what this tax is about. Probably you may need to give it a name that not only you understand, the customers will understand. So in this case, I'll be using LASG, Lagos State Government Consumption Tax, and the percentage is 5%. And I add it as a sales tax. Now notice that immediately I added it, the combined tax into a group tab became active. Therefore, what I need to do is now to combine those two taxes, the VAT that was already default in this outlet and the Lagos State consumption tax. Now, to combine it, I need to give it a tax group name that I will also remember. For example, in this case, let's use Lagos outlet taxes. So that when we are using anybody saying, you know that the reason we have the tax group is for outlets in Lagos State. So we select 5%. You can notice how Vend is showing this. It's showing an example of how it's going to display in your receipt to customers. You can see the way Vend has also given an example of how it's going to display. So you add the task group. Now, once you add the task group, you notice that now you now have a task group clearly showing. The next thing you need to do is to go and edit your outlet. Click on edit outlet to take you to your outlet. Now, under where it shows you default tax for this outlet, you need to click on it and select the Lagos outlet taxes, which actually is two taxes. Save this outlet. Yes, when it's also warning you that you're about to change your default tax, change this and your job is done. Now, whenever you sell, in this case, Vend will charge 5%, 5% VAT, and 5% consumption tax on this transaction. I hope this video has been helpful to you.